Okay, so one of the things you can do when you are trying to write in more detail or explain more about a quote that you've picked for a piece of evidence is to write about the individual words in that quote. So I'm going to show you how to do that with one of the quotes from Act 5, Scene 1 in Macbeth. I'm going to use this one. Here's the smell of the blood still. All the perfumes of Arabia will not sweeten this little hand. Okay, so now, what's that I miss? Okay, so the first word I'm going to write about is this idea of smell. So I'm going to say Shakespeare uses imagery when he writes the word smell. It makes the reader imagine. What does blood smell like?
Salty.
Metal, salty. The metallic, thank you, whoops. Metallic, salty tang of blood. He carries on using imagery with the word perfumes. The audience may imagine the overly powerful scent of a flowery. I'm trying to think of another word for perfume. Scent. I've already done
Fragrance.
Fragrance.
That's what I said.
No. That's what I said.
Okay. So I've talked about smell. I've talked about perfumes. Also, this is a reminder of Lady, you're not listening, Lady Macbeth's status as queen. Only the wealthy could afford perfume. But she says, even these riches cannot wipe out the blood or guilt it took to get there. Okay. And the last word I'm going to talk about is the idea of little. Finally, he describes her hand as little. This reminds us that this aggressive woman who has killed to gain power is physically quite small and perhaps beginning to be vulnerable or weak. end. So all of that I have written about one line, and I focus on the words smell, perfumes, and little. So that's how you do it. If you want to really extend your writing and focus in detail about individual words, pull out everything you can think about that one word, and that helps you get a really nice, long, thorough answer.